Hello, trading is closed on the 11th of March 2015. I'm Jeffrey Tennant. I made a few calls yesterday. One, I said the market had a good chance of gapping up. We did. It reversed the wall at the close. I also said it was unlikely the decline was over, and we hit some new lows. I think it's fair to say that my predictions fall into one of three categories. One is I make a strong call as to the market direction, and I'm right. One is I make a strong call for the market direction, and it's clear before the open that we're going to gap in the other direction, and the call is going to be wrong. In category 3 is I make kind of a wishy-washy call, and the market closes little changed. I think yesterday fell into category 3. I didn't have a clear call one way or the other, and we closed down 3.92. How about tomorrow? Well, mejt had an ultimate sell signal here, and that worked. mejt says the drop is a false move, gives us some targets. There's an optional target of 2048.14. If it doesn't print tomorrow, I'd forget it. But there's a required target of 2048.52, most likely to print tomorrow. Well, that's about 8 points over where we closed, and futures are down as I'm recording this. So the question is, should we try to catch the dagger? Is there any other evidence? Well, here's a daily chart. We now have a bar completely under the lower Bollinger Band. When the market is stretched that far, there's a good chance it'll retrace to go within the band. We're also just under a TDST line, and support extends to just past the line. If you look at the 30-minute chart, you will see that we are at a Fibonacci target of the prior consolidation. If you look at the 5-minute chart, you'll see I'm still trying to talk myself into an ending diagonal triangle. 3 waves for A, B, C, D, and E. If I'm right, that's the bottom. Normally it's negative when you start out high and drop all day long, but it's not negative if you drop all day long and you can't take out the early high. Well, we took it out with the final 5 minutes of trading, but that's not really representative of what's going on in the market because participants are going home. If you look before that, we couldn't take out either of these lows. So the market didn't really add to its losses from earlier in the day. So for tomorrow, my call is we're going to hold this particular area, rally to at least 2048 and change. And if I'm wrong, I think it's going to be obvious before the open that we're going to gap down. So by the open, we should know if the call works or not, and that's today's call.